Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 111, Inequality Word Problems. In today's lesson, students will be able to write the inequality given the phrase. Just reminders for our previous unit material. Your answers to inequalities must always have the variable on the left-hand side of the inequality sign. Your line and arrow must extend all the way to the end of the number line, and you flip the inequality sign when you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number to get the variable by itself. So here's some key words in math. So the less than, key words that you can see, like that trigger knowing that you're going to use the less than sign is the phrase is less than or is fewer than. The phrases that represent the greater than sign is greater than and is more than. So the greater than sign, we've got the less than sign. Okay, now key phrases that represent less than or equal to, it states that is, need the highlighter, is less than or equal to, is at most, is no more than. So these represent the less than or equal to sign. Now, the greater than or equal to sign, or key phrases that represent greater than or equal to, or is greater than, keep doing that, is greater than or equal to, is at least, or is no less, or no less than. So these ones represent the greater than or equal to. I want you to try these examples, and I'm going to put in the question on Edpuzzle the greater than or equal to or less than or equal to signs where you can just copy and paste from the question into your answer box. The first question is a number h decreased by 3 is less than or equal to 1. The second question is 14 is greater than or equal to the sum of 18 and a number x. The solutions to a number h decreased by 3 is less than or equal to 1. So we have h decreased by 3 is less than or equal to 1. So we've got our less than or equal to, so we use this sign. So h decreased by 3, so because it's a subtraction problem, we have to write it the way it's written. So h decreased by 3, so h minus 3 is less than or equal to 1. Now, we have 14 is greater than or equal to the sum of 18 and a number x. So we can, because it's an addition problem, we write 14 is greater than or equal to 18 plus x. But because of the commutative property of addition, you could have also written it as x plus 18. Here are two additional problems. The sum of a number b and 22 is more than 6. The product of a number r and 5 is fewer than 55. So you try these out, and again, I will put the less than and or equal to or greater than or equal to in the question in Edpuzzle, and you can just copy and paste those symbols if you need them. So we've got the more than, so that's going to represent our greater than. So the sum of a number b and 22 is more than 6. So we've got more than 6. So b plus 22, because the sum of a number b and 22 is greater than or equal to 6. Because it's an addition problem, you could have written it also as 22 plus b is greater than 6. And it would be the same thing. So now here, number 2, the product of a number r and 5 is fewer than, is fewer than 55. So the product of a number r and 5, so we write 5r. You could have also written it as 5 times r is less than 55. But remember, do not use this symbol for multiplication, okay? Because it's too close to looking like an X, okay? So then, do not write your answer like R times 5. We always write the number, the constant before the variable when we are writing products. So 5 times R, or 5R, not R5. And now that you've completed the ed puzzle, I'd like you to go and do the 111L. It's a Google form, and as long as you put the answers in the right way, it'll auto grade for you, and you can retry that assignment as well as many times as you need to be successful on the assignment. Good luck, and also enjoy your weekend.